What is the most recent news on the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit? Is Ripple a safe investment? What did the jury think about it? If you want to learn more, stay watching this video to learn more so you don't miss out on an incredible opportunity to win a giveaway of 25 XRP tokens at the end of this month. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to XRP Hut, your one-stop shop for all things XRP and cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll discuss about XRP and what the jury had to say about it. So keep focused because you don't want to miss out on this. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and switch on post alerts by hitting the bell so you don't miss any of our uploads, as well as join our prize. Now that we've gotten everything out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. The XRP vs. SEC lawsuit has been in court since 2020, attracting an increasing number of people and crypto investors to keep a close eye on it. The SEC had filed a complaint against Ripple and its two executives for raising more than $1.3 billion through an unregistered, ongoing digital asset securities sale. According to the complaint, Ripple has engaged in unlawful transactions without registering the offering since 2013. This case initially dealt a significant damage to the platform, as many investors withdrew from investing in XRP, and some sites also abandoned the digital token. Furthermore, there have been contractions following ex-SEC Director William Hinman's famous remark in 2018 in which he claimed that Ethereum is not a security. Fortunately, the case recently took a favorable turn when the judge assigned to the case instructed the prosecution to add papers and emails that Ripple believes were supplied by the SEC to a third party to the case. Experts believe that if XRP wins this court battle, it will be a huge triumph for the cryptocurrency industry. Furthermore, it will be the first time that a decentralized medium has overcome a government entity. In the jury trial, the defendants sold tokenized portions of computer power that they claimed to own. Investors sued over these digital items known as hashlets. Plaintiffs contended that the corporations lacked the computational power they represented under Statute 360. GAW miners and Zen miners exploited profits from new clients to repay existing customers in a Ponzi scheme. When asked if the plaintiffs proved that any of the following were investment contracts, the jury decided no for a token called hashlets. This contradicted the SEC allegation in paragraph 91 of GAW miners and Zen miners' 2015 filing. The two firms also provided a number of other crypto investments, such as hash points that could be swapped for Paycoin, a cryptocurrency. Hashtakers wallets might be used to store Paycoin hashlets, hash points, Paycoins, and hashtakers, which are all securities, according to the plaintiffs. According to the jury's verdict, plaintiffs failed to successfully prove that any were securities, including the tokenized shares hashlets. Jurors reasoned that hashlets investors were in complete control of their assets throughout the process and hence were not passive investments. The SEC has initiated more than 75 cases against crypto offerings, including one in late 2020 against Ripple, the third largest crypto asset at the time. Many of the SEC proceedings describe how cryptocurrencies passed the Howey test and became unregistered securities as a result. The SEC filed charges in a Manhattan district court in December 2020, alleging that Ripple Labs had engaged in an unregistered security sale with its XRP cryptocurrency for years. The SEC also named Ripple Labs co-founder Christian Larson and CEO Bradley Garlinghouse as defendants. Larson and Garlinghouse were accused of failing to give important information regarding Ripple Labs' operations, resulting in information asymmetry that harmed investors. The XRP litigation is currently at a crossroads, with a settlement or a 6-month case extension on the table. According to James K. Filon's exclusive XRP lawsuit schedule, the SEC is concerned about the deadlines that may force the plaintiff towards a potential settlement. By the end of next month, the court has ordered the Commission to uncover and react to various previously asserted as irrelevant views by the plaintiff in the XRP action. Last month, the court issued a decision on the most critical upcoming dates, approving and refusing large portions of two requests for both parties. The first was the defendants' move to force the SEC to answer two interrogatories that question the SEC blanket application theory, known as the Howey test. Ripple has also taken control of the litigation by deception if the SEC agrees to provide legal clarity on XRP current standing in the crypto world, and a resolution is expected in a matter of weeks. Let us now discuss the pricing of XRP. When the SEC filed the complaint, The price of XRP fell from $0.6 at the end of November 2020 to $0.1748 in December 2020. As the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies rose, it reached an intraday high of $1.9600 on 14 April. That was the highest price for XRP since the previous cryptocurrency rally in January 2018, when it reached an all-time high of $3.84. As cryptocurrency markets tumbled in May, the XRP price fell to $0.51 on June 22, its lowest level since March 25. On 20 July, the price approached that level again, trading as low as $0.52 as the cryptocurrency markets bottomed out. XRP continued to rise during the summer, reaching $1.41 on September 6th, with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency values dipped in late September, but have since recovered. On October 10, XRP reached $1.23 and has since been trading in the $1 to $1.25 region. Why has Ripple been declining? Some cryptocurrencies have given up gains as investors appear to have moved assets into Bitcoin, which on 19 October approached its April all-time high above $64,000. In its response to the case, Ripple Labs maintained that price movements in broader markets, rather than attempts to influence the price by boosting its liquidity as a security, drove the price of Ripple. It stated, "Extensive data research indicates that the price of XRP correlates to the price of the other main digital assets, not to Ripple's statements or business news. The data demonstrate that Ripple's public pronouncements have had little effect on the price of XRP, indicating that the market does not believe Ripple's efforts will result in an increase in the price of XRP." While the litigation is being resolved, Ripple Labs continues to collaborate with payment companies to offer financial products and services based on the Ripple blockchain and XRP. On August 3, digital identity platform Global ID announced the launch of an XRP MasterCard debit card in the United States in collaboration with digital currency platform Withheld, allowing users to earn XRP cashback while spending fiat, and digital cooperating with the Royal Monetary Authority of Bhutan to prototype a central bank digital currency utilizing its CBDC private ledger. Ripple established a $250 million fund on September 29 to offer innovators with financial, creative, and technical support to build NFT and other tokenization initiatives on the XRP network. On November 8, CoinCodex's technical XRP price research revealed 27 positive signs and 1 negative signal. The weekly simple and exponential moving averages were signaling a buy. Moving average convergence divergence, relative strength index, and stochastic RSI were all 0. The whole moving average, on the other hand, was bearish, while the volume-weighted moving average, VWMA, was bullish. According to the Ripple price projection from algorithm-based site Wallet Investor, the average price could fall to $1.313 in early December before rising to $1.616 by the end of the month. It anticipated that by the end of 2022, the price would have risen to $2.211, and by the end of 2025, it would have risen to $3.992. According to Digital Coin's projection, the price of XRP would average $2.17 in 2022 and $3.94 in 2025. It predicted that by 2026, the price will average $4.46. Looking farther ahead, the price projection indicated that XRP will average $6.13 in 2025 and $36.29 by 2030. It is critical to remember that cryptocurrency markets are highly unpredictable, making it difficult to precisely predict a coin's price in a few hours, and even more difficult to provide long-term estimates. As a result, experts can and do make incorrect predictions. That's all we've got for you today, fellas. What are your thoughts on this? Participate and let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on future films, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we release a video on the newest XRP and cryptocurrency news. You can watch our previous movies about XRP or other cryptocurrencies till the next video is released. Thank you for viewing, and we will see you in the future video.